In gi thuolo mar oro ote machuok e laini maro mar ote machuok ma en 3-600 machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng Awuor. Od bura mar senet ong'ado ni twak mar thicho oko jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua idhi winji e mbele senet duto ma komiti moyiedhi ma ji 11. E twak margi, senet okoni gidhi bedo kod ting' mapek mar kolo i ketho mitudo godo Gachagua manyo mi od bura mamalo thiche oko. Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua biro chopo mondo chiw nende e od bura mar senet tich ang'wen tarik 17 e kinde ma senet biro nono wachneno kochakore tich adek kod tich ang'wen mar juma manyien.
Senate may, 1, by resolution, appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter, or 2, investigate the matter in plenary. In this regard, the Senate Majority Leader will, at an appointed time during this sitting, give a notice of motion and move a motion for the establishment of a special committee. Should the motion be carried, the special committee will investigate the matter and report to the Senate on whether it finds the particulars of the allegations against the Deputy President to have been substantiated. In the event that the motion for the establishment of a special committee does not pass, the Senate will proceed to investigate the matter in plenary. Consequently, I will appoint a date for the commencement of the hearing of the evidence for purposes of the investigation.